Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, we're going to install Libre Office onto a Windows 11 laptop. In a previous video, I installed OpenOffice via the Microsoft Store. But if we go to the Microsoft Store here and search for Libre Office, we'll see that it actually costs money to install this app. So it costs $4.59. Isn't a lot, but you can go online and get it for free. So I'm going to open up a browser here and just Google Libre Office, and I'm going to click on that and go here to download. And if I click on download, you see the top link here is download Libre Office. So I'm going to click on that. And here's the latest stable release at the time of this recording. It's 24.8.4. I have a 64-bit computer. I'm going to click download, and you'll see here it'll begin to download. I'll come on back once that's finished. I should make a note that while you are downloading, you could consider donating to LibreOffice depending on your financial situation. LibreOffice is free software and is made available free of charge, but the donation does support the community. So just if that's something you want to do, you could do it. But of course, you can just download it for free. Okay, once the download is fully complete, you can navigate to your downloads folder, or if you're using Edge like I am, just click Open File. And a wizard is going to pop you up and walk you through the installation process. I'm going to click Next. I'm going to go with the typical install. Click Next. Create a shortcut on the desktop. I actually don't really want one because I'm going to just pin some things to the taskbar, so I'm going to uncheck that. But if you want a shortcut, you can do that. And I'm going to click Install. It's going to ask you to make changes to your device. And I was going to say, for my purposes, I'm using pretty much the Writer and the spreadsheet version of LibreOffice. I don't really do PowerPoints or any of the other stuff. So I'm just going to individually pin those to the taskbar, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. Okay, so now it said the installation wizard has completed. I can click Finish, and I can actually get rid of the executable here. So I'll click that, close out the browser, and I'm going to go here. And if you did install the desktop shortcut, it'd appear somewhere here, and you can click on it. But what I'm going to do is actually start to type in LibreOffice, and you see I have some options come up. So I have LibreOffice Writer. I have the regular app, which if I want to pin the entire app on there and then start just in the base app and then go to the other ones, I can do that. But what I'm going to do with the Writer here is I am going to actually go down here and pin to the taskbar, and you'll see the little icon appears there. And I'm also going to keep searching here, LibreOffice. I'm going to go back, and I think it's Calc. Yeah, LibreOffice Calc. This is the spreadsheet, which I want. And I'm also going to pin that to the taskbar, and you can see that right there. Okay, so now let's say I want to open Writer, and go ahead and click on the icon there. It's on my taskbar. And here we are. You can go through the release notes if you want, or just X that out. And you can begin working in LibreOffice Writer. I'm going to close that out and just show you that, I also pinned Calc. And there you go. It actually gives you tips of the day too. Like for instance, LibreOffice offers a variety of user interface options to make you feel at home. I'll click OK. Or you could click Run this action now. So let's say I want more tabs. So let me run the action, and I want to go to the tab toolbar. I can either just apply that to Calc or apply to all. I'm going to do it for all, apply to all, and you see my layout change. That's pretty nice. So yeah, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, consider giving it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.